Binance Coin, BNB, has come a long way since its humble launch in the summer of 2017. The coin was developed and designed specifically for use in the Binance ecosystem, offering rebates and incentives with its use. All coins were pre-mined before their initial coin offering, ICO, with a price set at 10 cents per BNB. Despite the crypto winter of 2018, BNB has proven resilient in the altcoin markets. And fast forward to the start of the new year in 2022, Binance Coin's price still carries a lot of interest. The coin gained roughly 1,344% in 2021. BNB demand has grown following a dramatic acceleration in the cryptocurrency's price. Over the course of 2021, Binance Coin rallied from around $38 in January to an all-time high of $683.82 in early May, and also saw another high of $668.07 in early November. But enough with the history lesson, and we will end it after a brief overview of the coin of the hour, the Binance Coin, and the reason why all of us are here. Can we expect BNB to break new all-time high records in 2022? And to answer this, let's have a quick recap of what Binance Coin is actually for. Launched by the major crypto exchange of the same name, BNB is designed to serve as a linchpin of the Binance ecosystem. One of the main attractions lies in how this altcoin can be used to unlock discounted trading fees. BNB also has a starring role in the Binance Smart Chain, which is vying to become a rival to Ethereum that offers greater levels of scalability, along with lower transaction fees. Currently, this digital asset has a market cap of almost $63 billion, meaning that it has also started to gain ground on Ether, which has a total valuation of almost $234 billion. Although talk of a flippening may seem rather far-fetched, BNB proponents are adamant that this digital asset has the potential to gain more ground in the future. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao himself suggests that BNB coin price predictions have been wrong over the years, encouraging users and the wider public domain to be cautious when making investments, and reminding them that information provided on the forum is not financial advice. He explained how many people were reluctant to invest in 2017 because it was too risky, while it wasn't worth investing in 2018 because the market had crashed. Although there was interest in 2019 and 2020 to see whether Binance Coin would gain momentum, one narrative put forward in 2021 was that BNB has already pumped. The Binance Group has acquired BML in May 2020 and has not yet launched its UK business, nor has it been permitted to undertake any regulated activity as per the FCA notice. Naturally, how the FCA and other institutions handle regulation will determine the fate of the coin, or at least investors' access to funds. As new rules are rolled out by local legislators, both, of course, do remember that the markets can be very unpredictable, and what has happened in the past isn't always an accurate prediction of the future. According to a Binance Coin price prediction 2022 from Long Forecast, BNB could be on track to hit between $227 and $290 by December, indicating a downtrend towards the end of the year. However, a closing high of $829 could be achieved in October 2023. The BNB coin price prediction from Digital Coin Price is also bullish, setting targets for the next 4 years. It anticipates prices will hit $520.66 by the end of 2022, around the $610.64 mark in 2023, $663.61 by 2024, and $831.62 by 2025. Of course, with any Binance coin prediction, algorithms can have imperfections. Always remember, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Any decision to invest should be based on your attitude to risk, your expertise in this market, the spread of your portfolio, and how comfortable you feel about losing money. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and there is more. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.